White Bull's Barbecue, the best damn barbecue ever.
Welcome back, barbecue fam. Chris here from White Bull's Barbecue, and today we're going to be doing barbecue chicken drumsticks. It doesn't get simpler, it doesn't get really much more delicious than this. We're going to be seasoning it with White Bull's Barbecue pulled hog, and then we're going to be saucing it with Traeger Apricot, give it a nice sweet element to it. Basically your down south, southern sweet kind of style here. Gonna be super delicious. We got the Pro 780 from Traeger already rocking. We're gonna go 325 until these hit about 155. Then we're gonna sauce them and crank them down to about 250 and let that sauce get infused with smoky flavor after we got them pretty crispy first. Nothing left to it but to do it. I'm gonna show you this prep and we're gonna get it on the Traeger. Let's do the damn thing. Hit that like and subscribe. Hit that bell, you know the vibes. We're gonna season this with pulled hog for pork from yours truly. This is our sweetest seasoning. It's got our highest amount of sugar, but we only use light brown sugar because brown sugar burns, and also it's a lot, it's just a little bit better for you. So you get the flavor, but you don't get as many calories or bad things that you don't want. Let's season this up. It's a beautiful rub. It has great color to it. It spreads very evenly. And what you're left with is a beautiful, beautiful drumstick. We're gonna do that to all of them. Let it set for 10 minutes, AKA let this soak in and kind of do a quick brine, quick dry brine. Let the salt, do its thing. And then we're gonna throw it on the Traeger, which we have rolling at 325. Anywhere between 300 and 325 is gonna get this cooked done. Once you got this chicken nice and juicy and just ready to go, crispy, the whole nine, that's when we sauce it and crank it down. And we're gonna be saucing it with Traeger Apricot, which is just the holy grail of sauces to me, especially if we're talking Traeger. Let's get these on the smoker. Alright guys, so it's been about a half hour. We're rocking at 325. We're gonna go temp probe these, see where they're at on the internal temperature, and we're gonna flip them over so they get that even cook. Let's do it. So I just probed these. They're sitting around 150, most of them. The smaller one's a little higher, but we're gonna let this rock until they're all around 160, and then we're gonna crank this down to 225. And we're gonna sauce them, let that sauce really get that smoke infused. Let's do the damn thing, baby. Alright, so we got these going. They went for about 45 minutes at 325 before they reached temperature. And that's when we cranked this down to 225. We already knew that it was cooked. We just wanted to sauce it and let that smoke really stick to the sauce. give these a nice, sticky, sweet taste. Gonna be amazing. Let's pull them off, get them inside, and devour them.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
It's the moment of truth. Let's see how these turned out. I mean, look at it. Got that glisten on it. Time for a bite. Cheers. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so all in all about an hour and a half cook. We cooked these at 325 until they reached 165. Then we cranked them down to 225, sauced them on one side, let that roll for 15 minutes, flipped them, sauced them again, let that roll another 15 minutes. All in all, you're looking at about an hour and 20 to an hour and a half cook time. It's amazingly simple and amazingly delicious. Between the pulled hog and the apricot, you get a nice, sweet, smoky blend and some nice, juicy chicken to complement it. There's no way you can go wrong. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. Hit that bell so you can get those notifications, and comment below what you want to see next from yours truly, the best damn barbecue ever, and I'm out of here.
White Bulls Barbecue, the best damn barbecue ever.